Monitoring and alerting looks at what is happening here and now. It looks at spikes, things that jump up. Capacity management, as capacity managers, we're looking at what is going to happen. When are we going to need to upgrade or consolidate? The better we do capacity management, the less alerts will be kicking off because we will be in more control of the environment. But we always need monitoring and alerting. It's like the backstop. There will always be things that crash and burn or spike quickly, and we need to understand why that is. Particularly, even if you've tested your release, capacity management isn't going to spot that immediately. We're planning for the future. Monitoring and alerting is your protection. Because we decided, as we were putting the processes in, we needed a tool set. We needed automation. Otherwise, it wasn't going to be scalable. We've now got a full set of clearly defined documentation. It's proactive. Now we do tell people what will happen in the future. And that's really the important bit of keeping monitoring and alerting in place as well. We'll tell them what is going to happen, but we can also, in effect, check that by monitoring and alerting, because if you do capacity management, you can tell people that in 6 months it's going to break. And you can tell them for 6 months. And then it breaks. And they'll get an alert kick off. And when you're starting with the process, a lot of the time you're spending going, you see, I told you it was going to break, and now it has. So next time, let's be proactive. Let's get the work done first. That's where we got to, our 3 levels of capacity management. First one was monitoring, alerting, plus. We kind of did some work at a component level. Second one was we started to bring the services together. And when we talk about services, we were talking about the services would be one or more applications that came together to deliver a service to an end user. And then the level 1 service is the full effort. We get the demand management in, we can do the trending, we can do the modelling, we can run the what if processes. None of that, certainly the second 2, none of those we could do off spreadsheets effectively. It just wouldn't have worked. And it's about reducing the cost of delivering the service. The more we can use automation, overall the cheaper it becomes for us to deliver it. And everybody then benefits from the economies of scale. The more we automate, the less it costs per server. Everyone gets great service, but actually the cost will go down.